Hi boys and girls, and welcome back to another lesson about picture graphs. What we have here is a bunch of animals in a setting. Looks like it's outside in a park maybe. And they want us to take this picture and turn it into a tally chart. So here they've given us a picture of our animals. We have a cat, a bird, a bunny, and I'm not sure, maybe a hamster. What do you think that is? So we're going to go ahead and count the pictures and then do tally marks to represent it and then write the number. So we're going to start with the cat. Take a moment to look at the picture and then we'll count it. All right, you should have counted 7 cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to go ahead and make 7 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'll go ahead and write the digit 7. And remember, it's important to leave spaces between sets of tally marks. Okay, next on the graph is the birds. So take a look at the picture. And you know what, boys and girls, I just noticed something. There's a cat up in that tree. So I need to add one more tally mark, and we actually have 8 cats in the picture. Good thing I caught that. I bet some of you noticed that though. All right, so let's take a look at the birds in the picture. How many birds do you count? If you said 6, you're correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I'm going to make 6 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to write the digit 6. All right, now how many rabbits are there? Take a look in that box. I'll give you a moment because there's quite a few there. All right, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 rabbits. I'm going to write that down here on my number part, and now I'm going to go ahead and do my tally chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And last but not least, whatever animal that is, I'm going to go with hamster, but maybe it's a chipmunk. I don't know. All right, let's take a look at the picture. How many do you see? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to go ahead and write a 12. And then go ahead and do my 12 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here I've taken a picture and organized the information. That's the great thing about graphs, whether they're picture graphs, bar graphs, tally charts, they organize information for us. Now we're going to take this information to answer some questions here. This says, use the picture and your answers on page 187, that's the page we just did, to show the number of animals by coloring the oval in the picture. So here we have a title, Animals in the Picture. And there's our categories, kitten, bird, rabbit, and here's our answer, a hamster. Now remember, it's important to look at a key. And here our key says each oval stands for 2 animals. So let's go back and look at the kitten. There were 8. So if I'm counting by 2 and there are 8 kittens, how many ovals am I going to have to color? If you said 4, that is correct. So I'm going to color 1, 2, 3, 4 ovals. And if I count those by 2, I should end up with 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Very good. Now we're going to go back and look at how many birds there were. And here you can see we have 6 birds. So if each oval stands for 2 and I have 6 birds, how many ovals do I need to color? That's right, I'll need to color 3. 1, 2, 3. And remember, they each stand for 2 animals, so let's count by 2. 2, 4, 6. Very good. All right, the rabbit, that was a lot. I believe it was 14. Let's see. Yes, it was 14. So again, if each oval counts for 2, how many do I need to get to 14? And you can think of multiplication facts for this. If you guessed 7, you are correct. So I'm going to go ahead and color in those 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if I count by 2s, I should end up with 14. Count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Wonderful. And our animal we weren't sure of, but now we know for sure is a hamster. Let's see. The hamster had 12. So if each oval stands for 2, how many ovals do I need to show 12 hamsters? Very good. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when I count those by 2, I will end up with 12. Count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Good job, boys and girls. Together, we took a picture that had a lot of information and organized it in a tally chart, and then again in a chart this way. So great job. Now you're going to move on to step 2, which is doing some Google Slides about picture graphs with tally marks.